Woo. Ah. Oh, that's it, heading. That's it, the pipe, Andy. Go. So here is the bathtub. Look. So heavy. Okay, Lampio, please on the light. Psh, yeah, that is good. Aduh, so much to do. Continue the work. Wow, it's water leading here. Look at this was under the bath. OMG, that is just too much. And this one not yet. But the good thing is the shower is done. And we are finally yesterday shower here. Look, that is done. But the roof is not yet. So still need so much work. But this one is already done. Beautiful. And this one, to clean up this one, to make this one, takes so long. So many time. Clean, few hours, and then finally it's done. And the top's not yet, and this one also gonna be white. And the toilet is going to be thrown away. So the warming also, everything. The bath, yesterday we have so big problem to carry out the bath because it's so big, but luckily we are finished. Only 2 person to do it. I don't know how many kilo is that, but we are done. And the new bath is coming maybe today. And here the mess. Okay, let's get to work.